And now your Local 11 weather with Jordan Dressman.
Well, in case you thought it was cold here in southern Idaho, how about a look at some even colder locations? These are current temperatures. Head up towards Bismarck and over towards Minneapolis, currently sitting in the negatives. That makes our current temperatures here in southern Idaho almost look like a heat wave. Most of us have backed off into the low and mid 20s as we've gone throughout the course of the morning, single digits as you head up towards the Wood River Valley. These numbers may drop off another degree or two until that sun comes up, but once it does, we will warm up. And as a matter of fact, I do expect we will see a fair amount of sunshine as we go throughout the course of the morning and into the afternoon, but the clouds are going to increase all ahead of our next opportunity for snow. Does look like it's going to build its way into the area Wednesday morning and into Wednesday afternoon. And then, yes, unfortunately, I am also talking about our next opportunity for just a little bit of freezing rain. Definitely not talking about any precipitation for your Tuesday. 25 degrees today for a high across the Wood River Valley, a light northwest wind, 5 to 10 miles per hour. Again, I feel like we're going to see a fair amount of sunshine through the morning and into the afternoon, and that's going to allow us to warm up into the lower 30s across the Magic Valley with a high of 34 degrees this afternoon. And then just a touch cooler, exactly freezing across the Minnehaha region. I've got a high of 32 degrees. Take a look across the Pacific Northwest, and we've actually done an excellent job of clearing out across the area, though there is this thinner band of clouds that is pretty much running right along southern Idaho, and it's actually not the thickest band of clouds we've ever seen, and that's why I still expect, despite the cloud cover that's showing up on satellite and radar and even here on Futurecast, we're still going to see a fair amount of sunshine. Here we are at the lunch hour. You can see Futurecast is definitely picking up on that cloud cover, and this is the way we're going to stay as we head into the early part of the evening. But watch what happens as we head into the very early part of your Wednesday morning. You can see that cloud coverage is definitely beginning to increase, and it's going to increase from the southwest, and that's where our next band of snow is going to come from, all thanks to an area of low pressure that is currently sitting just off the California coast. Here we are heading into the early part of your afternoon. You can see snow is beginning to encompass the entire viewing area, and I do expect that's the way we'll stay as we go throughout the course of your Wednesday afternoon. All thanks to yet another warm front that's going to push its way through the area Wednesday afternoon, and that's why I've got a high of 31 for your Wednesday with a low of 30 Wednesday night. I do expect we're going to warm into the mid and upper 30s. Some of us may crack that 40-degree mark for your Thursday. That's not going to stick with us for very long, though, however. Check out those highs this weekend into the teens. And then across the mountains, pretty much the same setup. I'm even keeping the same opportunities for some rain around, unless you're above 7,000 feet, in which case I think you are going to stay all snow. And as a matter of fact, for portions of Cassia and Blaine counties, a winter storm watch set to go into effect tomorrow morning.
Yeah, the weekend's not looking the prettiest, but I'm very excited to see your little floating snowman on Wednesday.
Yeah, that's just because you have an obsession with snowmen.
You know, and I haven't got to build one, so hopefully Wednesday is the day we can get a carrot on it and wrap it up in a cute scarf and have a fashionable snowman.
Are you going to put a little top hat on it, too?
Whatever we can make happen on Wednesday.
I expect pictures.
Thanks, Jordan.